The information shared in this video is purely for educational purposes and should never replace professional medical advice. Have you ever wondered why your stomach feels like a twisted knot every time life gets overwhelming? What if I told you that the chronic stress you experience every single day is literally destroying your gut health, creating a vicious cycle of anxiety, bloating, and digestive chaos that most people never realize is happening? Today, I am going to reveal exactly how your nervous system and gut are secretly connected. And more importantly, I will teach you 3 simple habits that can reset both your anxiety and your bloating in a matter of days. This is information that could change everything about how you feel, both mentally and physically. Most people think anxiety lives in their head and digestive problems live in their stomach. But the truth is far more fascinating and hopeful than that. Your gut and your brain are in constant communication through what scientists call the gut-brain axis. And when this communication breaks down due to chronic stress, both systems start to malfunction together. The good news is that when you understand this connection, you can heal both problems at the same time using simple, natural methods that work with your body instead of against it. When you experience any kind of stress, whether it is work pressure, relationship problems, financial worries, or even just the constant ping of notifications on your phone, your nervous system immediately shifts into what we call fight or flight mode. This is actually a brilliant survival mechanism that served our ancestors well when they faced real physical dangers like predators or natural disasters. However, in our modern world, this same stress response gets triggered dozens of times every single day by things that are not actually life-threatening. Your nervous system cannot tell the difference between a charging lion and a demanding boss, so it responds to both situations in exactly the same way. When fight or flight mode activates, your body instantly redirects blood flow and energy away from digestion and toward your muscles, heart, and lungs, preparing you to either fight the threat or run away from it. This redirection of resources essentially shuts down your digestive system. Your stomach stops producing adequate digestive acids, your intestines slow their movement, and the beneficial bacteria in your gut start to suffer from the sudden change in environment. At the same time, your adrenal glands pump out stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, which further suppress digestive function and create inflammation throughout your intestinal tract. This constant state of digestive shutdown creates a perfect storm for anxiety and gut problems to feed off each other. Poor digestion leads to nutrient deficiencies that affect brain function, while an inflamed gut sends distress signals directly to your brain through the vagus nerve, your body's main communication highway between gut and mind. The result is a vicious cycle where stress creates digestive problems, and digestive problems create more stress and anxiety. Now that you understand the problem, let me teach you the first powerful habit that can begin to reverse this cycle immediately. The first habit is called the deep breathing reset, and it works by directly activating your parasympathetic nervous system, which is the opposite of fight or flight mode. When your parasympathetic nervous system is active, your body naturally shifts into rest and digest mode, allowing healing and proper digestion to occur. The most effective breathing technique for this reset is called box breathing, and you can do it anywhere, anytime you feel stress building up. Here is exactly how to do it. First, find a comfortable position either sitting or lying down, and place one hand on your chest and one hand on your stomach. You want to breathe in a way that moves the hand on your stomach while keeping the hand on your chest relatively still. Start by exhaling completely through your nose to empty your lungs. Then breathe in slowly through your nose for a count of 4, allowing your belly to expand like a balloon. Hold your breath gently for a count of 4, without straining or creating tension. Next, exhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, letting your belly fall naturally. Finally, hold your breath out for a count of 4 before beginning the next cycle. Repeat this pattern for at least 5 minutes, though 10 to 15 minutes is even better if you have the time. The key is to keep your breathing slow, smooth, and controlled, focusing on making your exhales slightly longer than your inhales. This specific breathing pattern sends a direct signal to your vagus nerve that it is safe to relax, which immediately begins to calm your nervous system and restore proper digestive function. You can use this breathing reset first thing in the morning to start your day in a calm state, right before meals to prepare your digestive system for food, or whenever you notice stress and tension building up throughout the day. Many people find that doing this breathing exercise just 20 minutes before eating dramatically reduces bloating and improves how they feel after meals. Before we move on, if you are finding this helpful so far, take a moment right now to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps this information reach more people who are struggling with stress, anxiety, and gut issues just like you. And when you are ready for your next step after this video, make sure you check the description section below for your must-watch next video that goes even deeper into healing your gut and nervous system. The second habit that can transform both your anxiety and digestive health is grounding combined with cold exposure. Grounding, also known as earthing, involves making direct physical contact with the Earth's surface, and it has profound effects on your nervous system that most people have never experienced. When you walk barefoot on grass, sand, dirt, or even concrete, your body absorbs natural electrical energy from the earth that helps neutralize inflammation and balance your stress hormones. Research shows that just 20 minutes of grounding can significantly reduce cortisol levels and activate the parasympathetic nervous system, creating an almost immediate sense of calm and well-being. The Earth's surface carries a subtle negative electrical charge, and when your skin makes contact with it, this charge helps stabilize your body's electrical systems, including your nervous system. To practice grounding, simply remove your shoes and socks and stand or walk barefoot on natural ground for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Grass, dirt, sand, and even concrete sidewalks will work, though natural surfaces like grass and soil are ideal. Cold exposure is the perfect complement to grounding because it provides a different but equally powerful reset for your nervous system. When you expose your body to cold water, whether through a cold shower, ice bath, or even just cold water on your face and wrists, you activate what scientists call the diving response. This response immediately slows your heart rate, deepens your breathing, and shifts your nervous system into a calm, focused state. The easiest way to start with cold exposure is to end your regular shower with 30 seconds to 2 minutes of cold water. Start with water that is cool but tolerable, and gradually work your way up to colder temperatures as your body adapts. Focus on breathing slowly and deeply during the cold exposure, rather than holding your breath or hyperventilating. The combination of grounding and cold exposure creates a powerful 1-2 punch that can reset your entire nervous system in just a few minutes. Many people report feeling dramatically less anxious and experiencing reduced bloating within hours of incorporating these practices into their routine. The key is consistency rather than intensity, so start small and build up gradually. The third habit focuses on supporting your nervous system and gut health with magnesium, one of the most important minerals for both systems. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including those that regulate your stress response and digestive function. Unfortunately, chronic stress depletes your magnesium stores, creating a deficiency that makes both anxiety and digestive problems worse. When you are magnesium deficient, your nervous system becomes hyperactive, and your digestive muscles cannot relax properly, leading to cramping, bloating, and irregular bowel movements. Supplementing with the right forms of magnesium can provide almost immediate relief for both nervous system tension and digestive discomfort. The best forms of magnesium for nervous system support are magnesium glycinate and magnesium threonate, which are highly absorbable and have calming effects on both the brain and gut. Magnesium citrate is excellent for digestive support, as it helps relax intestinal muscles and can gently promote regular bowel movements if you tend toward constipation. For your daily gut relaxation routine, try taking 200 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. This timing allows the magnesium to calm your nervous system and prepare your body for restorative sleep, while also supporting digestive repair that happens overnight. You can also create a simple magnesium routine by dissolving a quarter teaspoon of magnesium citrate powder in water and sipping it slowly after meals. This helps activate your parasympathetic nervous system, supports proper digestion, and can significantly reduce post-meal bloating and discomfort. Some people also benefit from magnesium baths, where you dissolve 1 to 2 cups of magnesium sulfate, commonly known as Epsom salt, in warm bath water and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. The magnesium absorbs through your skin and provides full body relaxation that benefits both your nervous system and your digestive tract. Remember that magnesium works best when combined with the breathing and grounding practices I mentioned earlier. Think of magnesium as providing the raw materials your nervous system needs to heal and relax, while the breathing and grounding practices provide the signals that tell your nervous system it is safe to actually use those materials for healing. The beautiful truth about your gut and nervous system is that they have an incredible capacity to heal when you give them the right support. These 3 habits work together to address the root cause of both anxiety and digestive problems, rather than just masking the symptoms. By consistently practicing deep breathing resets, incorporating grounding and cold exposure, and supporting your system with proper magnesium intake, you are giving your body exactly what it needs to restore the natural balance between calm and digestion. Start with just one of these habits and practice it consistently for a week before adding the next one. Remember, healing happens gradually, and small, consistent actions create much better results than trying to do everything perfectly from day one. Your gut has been waiting for this kind of support, and your nervous system is ready to remember what true calm feels like. If this video has helped you understand your anxiety and bloating in a new way, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and then go straight to the description section below. I have linked your must-watch next video there. Want my free ebook packed with more natural health secrets? Grab it now in the description below. Transform your wellness today. Your gut-brain connection is one of the most powerful healing tools you have, and understanding how to work with it can transform not just how you feel, but how you experience life itself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.